Oh, it's a good fish too, boys. Oh, jeez. Oh,
that is a big redfin. Look at that. Awesome. But anyway, big ready. Off you go. That was awesome.
Yep, got him. Right at the shore. Oh.
We're driving along and we can see pools of water. So we'll go down and see if we can get any reddies. Hopefully. See that, guys? Just got to watch out for snakes. Hope there's none around. Pretty deep pool here. Might go over here and cast. Looks pretty good. Slowly creep up. Get my camera ready. Wedge it in this tree. Don't know if that's going to work or not, guys. On the angle there. About that. It's not going to play. Huh. Right. How's that? Any good? Got that. Oh, make some more noise. Oh, make some more noise. Alrighty, here we go.
We're on. Yes. Oh, it's a good fish too, boys. Oh, jeez. Oh, there's a couple there with him. Oh, there's a couple. There's a couple. Look at this fish. It's a good fish.
Here we go. Look at that, people. Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to slowly drag. Oh, no, I won't be able to. That's solid. Yes. Whew. That is a big redfin. Look at that. Awesome. Look at that, people. That is sweet there. Was another one there with him as well. Didn't even bring any other tackle down or anything with me. I didn't think I'll be getting anything. Should have brought me pliers. A bit of a stick to help me out with this, I think. Nah, he smashed this good. Oh, come on. I want to let you go. Oh, alright. We're good. He's a bit dirty. Clean that off for him. But look at that. That's... I'm always dropping fish. Oh, come here, mate. That is wicked. Let him go. Probably going to slip in here, boys and girls. Yep, and I slipped right in the water. But anyway, big ready. Off you go. Hope the keys aren't in the pocket. Oh yeah, it's not mobilised anyway. I probably scared all the rest of the fish off now, slipping in here, but that was awesome. Should have taken my thongs off. Oh my God, it's so slippery. It was worth it. Take me thongs off, people. There's one thong, so I can dig me toes in. Two thong. Ah, would have scared everything now. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, spewing. I just we'll give it a cast. You never know. Oh, that was sick. My line's tangled. That was good. Stoked with that. See if we can wedge this up here again. Yeah, just like that. All right. See if we scared them. Looking like it. No, we're on again. Yes. It's only a little. Oh, there's another one with him. Oh yeah. All right, we'll quickly get this one out. Whoop. Look at that. There's another one with him, guys. So look at that. I'll chuck him down there. We'll see if this other one comes. Go about there, I reckon. Oh, yep, we got him. Right at the shore. Whoa. Yeah. Look at this. This is awesome. This one's a good one, so I'll have to get down for this. Hopefully not fall in the water this time. There you go, people. The kayak hasn't been doing the job. I've got to get some boots on. But yeah, just sight casting these pools around here is absolutely awesome. Look at that guy. Oh, that is a stonker redfin. Oh, come on, mate. I'm gonna let you go. So absolutely stoked. Here we go, mate. Ready? Yeah, this is sick, boys. Have not got the right footwear on. I'll try up here and then we'll go back to the car and get me boots. Place. There's a few logs around here. Sneak through here. Okay. Don't know how I'm going to put the GoPro, guys, but we'll work something out. Maybe you can lean it there. A bit dusty. Never know. Big log running here. This looks good here. If I can get it. Oh, that's a good cast. Must have scared everything. Yeah, that's all she's got for us, I think. Oh, now we've got another one. It's only small, quickly get him out. So it doesn't disturb if there's any others there. Look at that. Jungle perch. Settle, settle, settle. Ow, bit me. Come on, mate, settle. Awesome. Oh. This is crazy, man. I'll cast it right up there. Whew. This is mental. I think that's 4 now from this spot. That's wicked. Alright. We'll move up. Oh, don't know if we will. We'll have a look. Ah. Ow. Move up a bit more. This is sick, please. Ow. It's not like walking on beach sand, that's for sure. Ow. Got polarized on as well, so that helps. Not as much down there, but we'll give it a cast. Oh. Tangle. It's not good. Untangled. No. See if there's something deeper around. Maybe the pool up here. Nah, it looks a bit shallow too. But you never know. Go have a look. Hope we don't slip into the water. Nah, that's way too shallow. So them big reddies, guys, I reckon they're stuck in there. They've tried to make it down when the when the river level was high, and now they're stuck in that pool. Because yeah, they won't be able to get past this and around the corner. Doesn't look like they'll get past that either. So we'll have a couple of flicks here. At least I know where some big reddies are to come back. And it's just off the road too. It's very shallow here, but we'll give it a go. More. Too shallow, I'm thinking. Give it one more cast. Too shallow. Way too shallow. Alright. Wonder if I should cross the river. Go around the corner and come back for me fongs. Oh, I could cross there. I might cross here, guys. And go around the corner and see what that's got to offer us. And go from there. Looks like a bit better ground over this side, guys, for me to walk down. It's all mud this side. So we'll go down around the corner. That was sick. So good. Been a couple of pigs through here by the looks of things. So yeah, this is that hole where we got them big reddies from. But I've stirred it up now, so I don't think it's going to be any good there. So yeah, there's the big hole there. So check out these. Might be an opportunity down there. Gets real thick through here, so I'm going to cross again and see what happens. Be nice and quiet, so you don't stir up too much mud, because the river is still flowing down that way. Could probably go on this log, you know. Look at this. It's not that deep, but I'm going to cast in here anyway. Wish that tree wasn't in the way. Anyway. Tangled, untangled. We'll go down a bit further so I can cast down here. Hit the tree on the way, but you're right. It might be a bit shallow. Alright, we'll move up a bit. I don't think it's deep enough in this. Oh yeah, there's one. Here he comes. Oh, there was one in there. Didn't grab it, must have seen me. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 down there. I'm not going to move, guys, because they're still right down in front of me. There's 3 reddies right in front of me. Don't know why they didn't smash it. You can see him, they're moving to my right. Man. Oh, that's not good. Let's try to stir him up a bit. No, I think they see me and they've gone no deal. They went down this way, guys. I'm going to see if I can get my lure down there. Nah, they definitely see me. Scared them. Spew it. That sucks. Oh, okay, guys. The battery's nearly run out, so we'll head back to the car. I'm hoping the road's up here. It'll be an easier hike out. But yeah, what a day. I think I've only got 15% left on the camera. Didn't expect to walk so far, actually. Like, yeah, I'm so glad I did. Got a heap of reddies from the shore. I only got 2 in the kayak this morning. So yeah, great day. I'm gonna actually walk this river a lot more now. So yeah, try to find the big pools and hopefully some more big reddies are stuck in there. So yeah, guys, I've got quite a bit of a hike. So till next time, take it easy. See ya.